One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It has been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We got a lot of that around here. Right, Tinkerbell? Oh, atta girl, Tink. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Where you belong, where you can dream aloud. Your heart will follow.
Get up and sing along. The moment's here and now.
Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away. You and me making memories today. Step into the magic. Watch the stories come to life. Step into the magic. Every color shines so bright. Step into the magic. Step into the magic.
Come on, matey, step in time. Step in time. Step in time. Keep it easy. Up like a birdie.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been.
I see the light, and it's like the fog is lifted. I